Welcome back, guys.
Oh, hi, guys.
We're actually taking you somewhere a little different today. We're actually going to Montgomery County to a colorful city called Takoma Park.
Takoma Park is indeed very colorful and a close-knit community that is located right on the border of Washington, D.C.
And in today's video, we're going to explore 3 things to consider when moving to Takoma Park.
This is Love and Real Estate.
Hi, my name is Amanda.
My name is AD.
And we run a local real estate company called the Dapo Group.
Every week, we're going to take you into communities, restaurants, and experiences in DC and the surrounding areas.
Just think of us as your personal real estate agents. Enjoy the show!
The lifestyle in Takoma Park. Let's talk about it. So Takoma Park is known for its sustainability, diversity, and it's a little eclectic as well. So specifically for sustainability, there is a local food waste collection drop-off that happens within the community. Also, there are bottle refill stations. So you can actually take your bottle, find a little spot, refill it when you're taking a run, or even for your little pup. Yep. And then Sundays in Takoma Park is a place to be because they have the local Takoma Park food and farmers market. So that means we can get local produce, artisan cheeses, sweets, right? All of it. Honestly, all of it. Local vendors come through. It's a real big deal. And then even vineyards and actually wineries come and actually support as well. But the thing I really love, because I love to read so much, is the little free library. So around Takoma Park, you'll see these little boxes all around the community. And that, what it does is that you actually will see books inside of it because it's stocked, maintained, and supported by the community. That's what it's like living in Takoma Park, a community where people look out for one another and take care of one another. Now, let's go talk about the homes.
Yeah, the real estate. So let's talk about some real estate.
Oh, well, that's my favorite part.
When you actually walk into a neighborhood in Takoma Park, you're going to find that every home has its own style. And that's what actually gives it its unique character.
Okay.
Yeah, and when we talk about the prices, as of February 2024, the median sales price of a home is $570,000.
I honestly thought it would be a little bit more.
Yeah, yeah. And, more importantly, when it comes to the types of homes you're going to find, you're going to see a mixture of single-family homes, multi-family homes, and just a sprinkle of townhomes.
Yeah, it's not many townhouses around here.
No, there's a lot of just detached homes.
Yeah.
And even the styles, right? You're going to see a lot of craftsman and also a mid-century style.
Yes. No house in Takoma Park looks the same.
Agreed.
Yeah. So if you're looking for a community that has like no cookie cutter, this is the town you need to live in.
Awesome. And now we get to show them a $1 million home in Takoma Park.
Oh, yeah, that's my job, right? All right. We'll see you at the next stop. I have something special set up. Now, I know we went into all the things that are Takoma Park, but today I have a gorgeous $1.5 million home set up for you and you.
Okay.
First of all, covered porch, hello. Just setting the tone for lovely. Welcome home. Guys, come on in. Welcome to your new abode in Takoma Park. Now, upon entry, you're greeted with so many windows on this beautiful tan natural wood floors, gorgeous ceilings, and then we have so many design elements to go into throughout our tour today. Come on. Now, you see this random light hanging out right here, right? Because this is an opportunity to actually add another eating opportunity. So this would be your formal dining room. But of course you can leave it up to your interpretation, but I just want you to just take in the amount of space inside of this gorgeous home. Now I'm gonna take you into your eating kitchen. Your eating kitchen. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I don't know if the camera can translate this, but I'm going to translate it for you. These cabinets are a blue slate gray. So they're navy, think of navy blue and slate gray if they came together and had a baby. That is the color of these gorgeous cabinets, anchored with Calcutta Laza quartz countertops with a massive stainless steel farm sink with an embedded garbage disposal. Absolutely gorgeous. We even have completely muted black appliances and finishes. Absolutely gorgeous. This is beautiful. Look at our handles. 5-burner stove. Absolutely gorgeous. And I believe this is a Bosch. I know my stuff. This is a Bosch. This is a Bosch 5-burner gas range and oven with our hood vents, accompanied with gorgeous shaker cabinets and muted handles, along with accompanied with a Bosch microwave. Now these are one of the more modern styles. I love these. Absolutely love these. And then of course our Bosch fridge as well. Everything in this home is completely brand new. If I didn't say that before, this is a completely brand new renovation, top to bottom new construction. Now, before we get into the upper levels, I have one more thing to show you. Ooh, every time I'm like, I think I'm done with the kitchen and then I forget. Now, if you notice, there wasn't really much pantry space. Well, the designer of this home did an amazing job by providing that pantry opportunity with soft closing trays, and it goes all the way up to the ceiling. So you get that same amount of square footage inside and seamlessly inside of your cabinets. So you don't have to worry about swinging doors and things like that. It is completely following the theme of your kitchen. One other detail that I thought I was not going to talk about, but I have to. Your slab black splash. The countertops go seamlessly from countertop to wall, all the way across. This is what you get when you start looking at luxury homes. Absolutely beautiful. Now come on with me. One more thing, for those of us who do work from home, which is many of us, for those of us who work from home, this is your office. It's right off the front door. So as soon as you come in through the front door, it's located directly to the right. Absolutely beautiful, great size, has plenty of light. I cannot emphasize that enough. There is so much light in this home. Now, of course, let's go look at that man cave, because you know that's the only place that AD is.
Alrighty, let's check out my favorite part of the home, the man cave. So this is very simple, right? It has all your essentials that you actually need in the basement. So right here, we are in the entertainment area. And to my right, we actually have a walkout that will take us to the rear of the home. And then we have an office space in this room as well. We have a full egress window, and we also have a closet. And then we're gonna come out and we have our laundry facility. So this is our laundry room here. And a full bathroom, floor to ceiling tiling for your guests when they come over. So like I said, all the essentials that you need in the man cave in the basement here. So we're actually gonna take it to Amanda, and she's gonna show us the rest of the home. Come along. Right back to you.
Did you get it out of your system?
Yes, we got everything.
You got it all out your system. The man cave. You notice, guys, so whenever we do these home tours, he only shows you one thing. The basement. That's all he cares about. All right. Shoe.
I love you.
Love you too, baby. All right, so one thing I want you to notice is that the stairs actually has an opportunity for lighting. It's actually controlled by this switch right here. I thought that was a really cool feature right there. So you never have to worry about ever falling down the stairs in the middle of the night. I don't know what stairs have that. Oh, right. This is a luxury home, right? Now this house is 4 levels. So we're gonna go to the first and most sacred part of the home, which is the bedroom level. So we're gonna start with the washer and dryer room, which is right here to my right. And this house actually has 2 washer and dryer opportunities. Then we're gonna go inside of our owner's suite. Absolutely gorgeous. It is anchored with 2 closets, of course, his and hers. And then, guys, the ensuite in the primary suite. Feast your eyes on this. We have dual sinks We have our own mirrors, we have our commode, but we have a standing tub that sits inside the shower with Tuscan tile, circle tile on the floor, and a rain shower head. This is everything. This is all that you need. This shower is a room. I just want to, can you just imagine? Imagine having a glass of wine right there. You're sitting down with your bubble bath. You're thinking about the latest accomplishment that you did. That is it. And if you can live that life, tell me all about it, because I'm personally not there yet. So let's go. Of course, we have our walk-in closet. I'm gonna just show you guys this really quickly. This is a great size walk-in closet, guys. Honestly, you can get a lot done here. 130%. And then let's take you to the secondary bedrooms. So we have 1, 2, and 3 secondary bedrooms. I'm just gonna walk through one really quickly. Great size. Awesome ceiling height. Hear it? Hear the echo? Great ceiling height. And it is also anchored with a walk-through ensuite. His and hers. Look at that. And it passes me directly into another bedroom. Isn't that kind of cool? Isn't that pretty cool? We love that. Absolutely gorgeous. Now let's go into that last bedroom, because I'm curious now. I'm curious because I'm like, if this one has its own bathroom, that means this bedroom here has to have its own bathroom. Shower in here. Look at this, guys. Check this one out. Oh my goodness, this is a great opportunity for in-law suite. The kids have their own bathroom and bedroom. It's internal within the bedrooms. And then mom and dad have a place to stay when they come and stay, or if they want to stay full time, they have their own bedroom and closet. This place has thought about all the solutions. Now, let's take you upstairs to the loft. Now this loft is left to your interpretation, completely up to you. But this loft is anchored with a wet bar, open space to enjoy, have a great time. And then there's an opportunity, if you want to continue to build outward to make this an indoor-outdoor space as well. And one last thing I want to show you. It has its own bedroom and bathroom. Full bathroom. All the things that we need. Guys, let's do a quick review. So I counted 5 bedrooms, an office, a dining room, open concept living space, an eating kitchen. It also has a backyard. It also has a fully finished basement with another bedroom in the basement. And then also I'm standing in a loft with a wet bar, which also has a bedroom, and all the bedrooms have their own ensuite bath. Guys, inside of the city of Takoma Park, inside of Montgomery County, for the beautiful price of $1.5 million. There is nothing like this on the market right now, and I need you to take advantage of it. You're welcome. I want to go to Sticky Fingers. I've been craving sweets. Oh my goodness.
You always have a sweet tooth.
I do. My goodness. Such a lovely day today too. A little cold though. Oh hey guys. All right.
So we're actually going to talk about the commutability. So when it comes to Takoma Park, or residents who live here, we're going to find a lot of people go to Washington, D.C. It's just 7 miles south of here. And then...
Oh wow. It's close.
It's very close. Route 29 is just going to take you straight down to nature's capital. But if you're trying to explore downtown D.C., DC, I-495 will be able to allow you to explore the nation's capital even more.
What about the Capital Bike Share?
Yeah, thank you. I was going to mention that. So just right at the metro station is the Capital Bike Share. So if you do not want to metro, you can actually use the Capital Bike Share. And if you don't want to do that, the metro is right across the street, right? For you to be able to do that.
And don't forget to mention, even if you have your own bike, Takoma Park is a sustainable community. So there's so many opportunities to go ahead and park and storage your own bike as well to continue to contribute to the theme of sustainability and being environmentally friendly here in Takoma Park.
And if you want to explore locally, we have the ride on bus system, right? Which is like,
well, it was there.
It was right there.
It was there.
That allows you to also explore Takoma Park local.
Awesome. Well, that lets you know Takoma Park is pretty commutable. Matter of fact, I'm going to continue to keep walking. See you in a sec. Guys, unfortunately our video is coming to an end, and I wish it wasn't because I'm having such a great day. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm just in the city of Takoma Park and it's such a vibrant, wonderful place to live.
Yes, guys, if you have any questions about Takoma Park or the house that we just visited, our team would love to be your real estate resource of choice. Please contact us at info@thedappergroup.com or comment below, hit the description box to get on our website, or even jump on our calendars personally.
And guys, I'm pretty sure you know someone who, yourself or someone else, who wants to live in the city of Takoma Park. Please share this video, give us a like, and of course continue to add to our community. Give us one of those good old subscribes.
Yes, we are your favorite real estate couple. My name is AD.
And Amanda. And until next time, guys, bye.